फाइंड आउट करेंगे एंगल्स बिटवीन टू वेक्टर्स। एंगल बिटवीन टू वेक्टर्स कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, वो फाइंड आउट करेंगे हम। देखो, स्केलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर ए एंड बी इज रिटन एज, इसको ऐसे लिखा जाता है ए डॉट बी। ये दोनों वेक्टर्स हैं, दीज टू आर वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज इज इक्वल टू मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए एंड मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी and cos of theta angle. So the scalar product of a vector a and b in term of component is a dot b is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz magnitude. So comparing 3 and 4, their left side are equal, so their right hand side are also equal to each other. So a dot b is equal to a magnitude of vector a and magnitude of vector b cos of theta ax bx plus ay by plus az and bz. So यहाँ पे these two quantities are multiplied with cos of theta angle. So when these are shifted from left to right, so they will be divided. So a and b, magnitude of vector a and b are divided here. So next, put the magnitude of a in 3x y z component are ax plus ay plus az square root and bz bx by and bz square root. So these are both quantities. So it is a third angle ax bx plus ay by az bz over magnitude of a is equal to inverse of cos ax square ay square az square bx square by square and bz square. So this is the theta angle which is obtained in scalar product. So these are the quantities of scalar. Next topic is vector product. If two vectors are multiplied, if their product is equal to a vector quantity, so these are called a cross, not a scalar, cross product or a vector product. If the multiplication or if the product of a two vector is a vector quantity, then this is called a vector product or a cross product. So let's see. The multiplication of two vectors is called vector product or cross product when the result is a vector quantity. It means that if the result is a vector quantity of two product, then they are called a vector product or a cross product. If there is a no vector product, if there is a no vector result quantity or a scalar, so there will be no vector product or a cross product. So formula, it's the cross product of two vector a and b having a angle theta between them is written as a cross b is equal to magnitude of a and magnitude of b sine of theta, and n is the unit vector which is used for the direction. So here the cross product of two vector a and b having angle theta between them is written as a cross b is equal to magnitude of vector a and magnitude of vector b, and the angle is the sine of theta, where n is the unit vector which is used for the direction of a cross b. So let's suppose two vector a and b are making an angle theta, and the n is the unit vector which is for direction, and this is the figure of a cross b vector product, where a magnitude of vector a and b sine theta is the magnitude of a cross b. It is the magnitude of a cross b, where n unit vector is the unit vector perpendicular, which is perpendicular to the place defined by vector a and b. So this is the n unit vector which is perpendicular, to plane a and b vectors. So unit vector n is used for direction of a cross b. I told you that this vector unit vector is used for the direction in vector product. So we can find the direction of vector product by or a cross product by a head to tail rule.